there is no relationship between Allah and anyone except through obedience to Him. This quote emphasizes the importance of obedience to Allah as the foundation of the relationship between the Creator and His creation. It suggests that true connection with Allah is achieved through following His commands and living a life of submission to His will. The richest of the rich is the one who is not a prisoner to greed. This quote teaches that true wealth is not measured by material possessions, but by contentment and freedom from greed. It implies that the wealthiest individual, those who are satisfied with what they have and do not let their desires control them. The most beloved actions to Allah are those performed consistently, even if they are few. This hadith highlights the value of consistency in good deeds. It encourages Muslims to perform acts of worship and kindness regularly, even if they are small, as Allah favors the steadiness of actions over their quantity.